On this week's episode of Warehouse Safety Tips, we're going to be covering week 3 of 5 on incident reporting and root cause analysis. So stay tuned. Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, Warehouse Safety Tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast. For week 3 of 5, we're going to be talking about how to report an incident properly. So here are a few tips that are going to help you with that. Number 1, you want to make sure that you always report an incident immediately. Don't assume that somebody else is going to do it. Don't assume that somebody else has already reported it, or that it's something that maintenance or your safety coordinator or somebody that's within your safety culture knows about it. Just report it because it's always something that is going to help out. The second thing you want to remember is be specific. You want to act like a detective. You want to talk about the who, the what, the why, the where, the how. All that is going to be extremely important, so make sure that you're absolutely specific. The third thing that you want to know is that if able, you want to go through and document the scene. And what we mean by that is if able, if it's dangerous or if there's something going on that you can't, don't worry about it. But if there's any way possible, get in there, snap some pictures, make sure that you take copious notes. And the reason why is because once things are cleaned up, shifted, if there's any sort of situation where people have removed stuff because of maybe there was an injury or whatever the case may be, the situation is not going to be the same as when it happened. So make sure that you document as soon as possible, if possible. The fourth thing is you want to make sure that you know your reporting system. Some things are done by paper, some things may be digital. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you report it directly to a supervisor, your safety coordinator, again, the person in charge of safety culture, but make sure that you go through and report it, whether it's, again, via paper, digital, or whatever it is that you have at your location. And last but certainly not least, you want to make sure that you always follow up. You want to find out, was there action taken? Was the hazard removed? Is the issue corrected? Whatever the situation is, we talked about this last week and we'll talk about it again this week for number 5, and that is this. If somebody reports something, you want to make sure that you follow up with them so that they know that their voice is being heard, that you care, and always keep them in the loop of what's going on, and also follow up with the coordinators, the maintenance, or whoever's in charge, and make sure that it is being addressed, because you don't want something that you see or something that happened occur again. So always, always, always follow up. As always, you want to know that these are not the end-all be-all tips. They're just suggestions. Make sure that you follow the rules and the regulations of your specific facility. Next week, we'll be back with you for week 4 of 5 on incident reporting and root cause analysis. Until then, we want you to have an absolutely great week. Stay safe. And here is a word from one of our sponsors.
It's scientifically unexplainable. It's virtually indestructible. And it's taking over the entire planet. But in a really good way. It's Mighty Line floor tape, the most durable floor tape in the world. 7 times thicker than average floor tape. Beveled to endure pounding warehouse traffic. And backed with a super strong peel and stick adhesive, so you'll never have to worry about painting shop floors again. Mighty Line floor tape, the only durable stripe.